How to edit or delete routine on Me Plus app. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to edit or delete routines on B Plus app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download the Me Plus app on Google Play Store and App Store. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, you need to make an account first on Me Plus app in order to use it. So it's so easy to create an account. You just need to open your application, and after opening your application, the Me Plus app will ask you a different bunch of interview questions so that they will know you more and they can set up a routine for you, a sample routine for you. So you just need to answer all of those interview questions. And after answering your interview question, you just need to create a signature for your account. So after confirming your signature, as you can see, they will be ask you to, if you want to purchase a premium version of the Me Plus app. So it's up to you if you want to purchase or not. So after that, so just click continue on the other news. It doesn't really matter until you get on the Me Plus dashboard. So after you go to the dashboard, this is how it looks like. And if you want to create a routine, just click this plus button on the bottom right corner. And as you can see, you can set up a date for your routine. So I'm picking today, and I can also name my routine. So let's say it. So after that, after I'm done, I can just click create, and yeah, my routine is already created. So if I want to make changes, I can just click my routine again, and it will show me to edit it will show me an option to edit my tasks. So I can just click edit tasks and make changes in my routine, change its color or add a subtask, change the name, and after I'm done, I can just click save and my edits will be reflected. And yeah, that's it. That's how I can edit. So if I want to, check my, routine, I can just click the circle in order to complete the routine. And if I want to delete it, I can just swipe the routine to the left. And as you can see, there will be an option to delete the routine. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can delete or edit routines on Me Plus app. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.